Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just received my new gaming monitor. It's a 4K gaming monitor from Gigabyte. It's a 144 Hertz and an IPS monitor. Let's get started. The only complaint I have is against the FedEx driver. So this package, it was outside in front of my doorstep. It opened like this. So let's just unbox it and see what it looks like inside. So hopefully it's not damaged and the screen is not cracked. These are just the installation guide paper. That's probably the stand. I'm not gonna use the stand. So this is a USB cable. It comes with a display port cable. We are able to do 4K with this cable. This is not a US power cable, so I'm not gonna use this one. Those are for the US. I'm only gonna use these. Let's pray, guys, that the monitor is not damaged. Wow, this is a 28-inch. Wow, this monitor is kind of big comparing to my 24-inch monitors. It looks great, frameless. This is currently my setup, guys. That's my mic attached to this camera. That's my USB mic when I stream games. That's what I mostly use. My PS5. My laptop old and slow. I'm waiting for the new MacBook to come out. So obviously what I'm gonna do, these two monitors are two 1080p monitors. So I don't wanna have three monitors. I'm just gonna take one out and use one. I don't know exactly yet how I'm gonna position them. So I have to remove a couple things. I have to reorganize. We do the cable. I have a lot of work to do tonight. So let's get started, guys. This is where the KVM switch is. That's this button. If you press it, you're able to switch from one device to another one, and this one you could go to settings also and turn it on. But that's the KVM switch. If you see, and that's the M28U. The 28 stands for the size. That's a 28-inch. Also, these are the connectors. It has a good speaker, not the best one, but a good speaker. That's where the power plug goes. That's for the 3.5 millimeter headset jack. That's a 2 HDMI 2.1, where you're able to do 4K at 100, I think 40 hertz, 144 hertz, and even 8K at 60 hertz. And a display port, the same. And a USB type C, you're able to charge other devices. You have a USB type B. You have also 3 USB 3.0. So I'm finally done setting up the new monitor. So this is how I set everything up. This is my USB mic, my PS5 is right there, my light, That's the 4K 120 hertz, if you notice. In order to get the 120 hertz, to get 120 hertz, you gotta go to the settings. I just figured it out. And you gotta make sure you go to HDR, make sure light enhance is at 1. If you press the button, you press the white, and then you're able to go to refresh rate. Make sure that option is on. Oh, I forgot to mention, inside the settings, you go to picture, HDR, and go to make sure dark enhance is on. Also make sure local dimming is on. Some games you can only play up to 60 hertz, but with Call of Duty and Fortnite, you can go to settings, go to graphic, and if you scroll down, you're able to see the 120 hertz refresh rate. Turn it on. On PS5, you have to do the same thing. Go to settings, you turn it on. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you guys in the next video.